Yo, welcome back. Once again, it's Joe Martini Boxing. Oh wait, we're in the middle of a COVID-19 pandemic. There is no damn boxing. Man, you better get out of here with that noise. I ain't even Indian, bro. Get out of here. Yo, it's your boy, Chef Martini in the house. Today we are gonna make some General Tso Chicken since we ain't got no boxing. So to make some good General Tso Chicken, we're gonna make about 4 servings. We're gonna need boneless skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna need some frying oil. You can use vegetable oil. We're gonna need 1/3 cup of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, guys, and we'll make General Tso Chicken. General Tso Chicken is a sauce. So let me get you my secret. We're gonna need sliced scallions for garnishing. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil preferred, 1 cup of chicken broth, about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of Hoisin Sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of chili, and 1/4 cup of brown packed sugar. Alright guys, now that we've covered all the ingredients for our General Tso Chicken, everything is prepped and ready to go, measured out. This is what it looked like. This is what I look like. Hey guys, we're getting closer to this General Tso Chicken tonight. This is what the sauce looks like once you whisk it all together, all the ingredients for the sauce. And this is what the boneless chicken thighs look like once you cut them up in cubes. So sauce, cubes, sauce, cubes. So guys, basically we need to mix the chicken and the flour and cornstarch. So we need to bask basically the chicken into this flour and cornstarch. We need to coat it is what we need to do. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna coat the chicken in the flour. Now we are ready to start cooking our General Tso Chicken. You want to put 2 to 3 inches of oil in your pan. This is what it should look like. So we're down to 3. There's the sauce, there's the chicken, scallions. Let's go. So once you're done frying and the chicken is browned, this is what it looks like, just like it does at your favorite Chinese store. Nice and brown and golden. Alright guys, now that we've got the chicken and it's nice and golden, as you can see, you put the heat, medium heat to high, and let's pour the sauce. This is what makes it taste so good. And then you just mix it for a little bit and you're done. Voila. Waiting for the liquid sauce to get a little thick, and looks like we're done. We're ready to enjoy some General Tso Chicken. Alright guys, there's my final result. I want to thank you for watching. Your boy, Chef Martini. 1.